Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to undo in the Pixlr app. One thing to remember, there is no any specific button in the Pixlr app to use the undo, but I will show you a simple trick that you can undo without the built-in feature in the Pixlr app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. After choosing the photo, here you can find the edit tools right here. Now choose one of them and then simply edit the photo however you would like to edit it. Now, here is the thing. Now to undo it, you can't simply undo it, but tapping on the cross button right here, it will make the edit go away. Just like this. Now you can see the edit is undone. Now you can do the same with other edits that you would do on a photo. And that's it. This is how you can undo the edits in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.